Hi everyone, welcome to Medicinal Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about thyroid and anti-thyroid drugs. Now, the thyroid hormone is divided into two types, which is thyroxine and triiodothyronine, which is T4 and T3 collectively. Action: needed for mental growth and physical growth, needed for reproduction function, and needed for heat production, and facilitate erythropoiesis, and they have an action of carbohydrate metabolism and protein metabolism. In carbohydrate metabolism, there is an increase in blood sugar level. In protein metabolism, protein synthesis increases, and in muscle development and fat metabolism, decrease in cholesterol level. What is hypothyroidism? Hypothyroidism is a deficiency of thyroxine hormone, which leads to cretinism in children, myxedema in adult. Test: what test we can find the deficiency of thyroid hormone? Blood test by T3, T4 and THS, thyroid stimulating hormone level. T3 is triiodothyronine and T4 is thyroxine. Symptoms and hypothyroidism. Symptoms of hypothyroidism: there is tiredness, unable to bear cold, dry skin, irregular period in females, problem in conceiving, increased body weight, tingling sensation, constipation, anemia, goiter, and high cholesterol level. High cholesterol level due to the increase in fat metabolism, which decreases the cholesterol level. The action of thyroxine decreases the cholesterol level when there is less supply, which is hypothyroidism, which increases in cholesterol level. Treatment: iodized salt and thyroxine tablet. Preparation: natural thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine, which is T3. Synthetic levothyroxine, levotriiodothyronine. These are the preparation forms and uses. It is used, these tablets are used in cretinism. Children who have 10 to 15 microgram per kilogram per day of tablet evothyroxine. In myxedema cases, adult of 50 microgram daily tablet, which is thyroxine. Myxedema uses: it is used in cretinism. For children, they should take 10 to 15 microgram per kilogram per day of evothyroxine. In myxedema, in adults, they should take 50 microgram daily thyroxine tablets. In myxedema or coma, the medical emergency treated in hospital in ICV. Levothyroxine T3 is given IV of 100 microgram or thyroxine 500 microgram is given in IV. Non-toxic goiter: T4 tablet suppresses THS protection and the goiter regresses, and T4 tablet in 200 mg for 6 months. Adverse reaction: these drugs lead to some of the adverse reaction like insomnia, palpitation, tachycardia, increase in heart rate, and induces angina and hypertension. Note: in hypothyroidism, avoid of goitrogen food like example cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, spinach, and take iodized salt. Here we are going to see about anti-thyroid drugs. These drugs decreases thyroxine secretion. The anti-thyroid drugs decreases thyroxine secretion. Classification: thiourea derivatives: thiouracil, polythiouracil. Imidazole derivative: carbimazole, methimidazole. Radioactive iodine, NaI-131. Beta blocker, propanol and atendol, and other potassium iodide. These are the classification of antithyroid drug. Now, mode of action. The first two group drug inhibit enzyme peroxidase, which convert iodide to iodine. As you see in the classification, the first two group drug which does not makes to form iodine and prevents combination of iodine with amino acid and tyrosine. Inhibit coupling of monoiodotyrosine and diiodotyrosine. Inhibit and Ki prevent the release of thyroxine and also depresses TSS action. Radioactive I-31 tab is used in NaI-131 isotope and is trapped in thyroid gland, and it emits beta rays which destroy the cells of the thyroid gland. Hyperthyroidism, excessive production of thyroxine. Symptoms: weight loss, excessive sweating, tachycardia, palpitation, intolerance to heat, osteoporosis, precipitate angina, myocardial infarction, heat, heart failure due to increased workload of the heart. Beta blockers are used to decrease the tachycardia and cardiac workload. Therapeutic uses: Graves' disease, in 1 to 5 year treatment. There is a 1 to 5 year treatment in toxic nodular goiter. When the surgery cannot be done, these drugs are used. Before the operation of the thyroid gland, the gland is made euthyroid by antithyroid drug. Euthyroid means in a working condition. Before the operation of the thyroid gland, it is made in the working condition by antithyroid drug. Hyperthyroidism, in pregnancy, Ki is used in Lugol solution orally for 14 days before operation of thyroid gland. Adverse reaction: agranulocytes, which is rare. Blood test for WBC done periodically. Thank you. For more video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.